Okay, so this video shows you what to do if your Fire TV Stick or Fire TV Cube remote stops working. Now, as you can see, if I push any buttons on mine, I just seem to get this orange light flashing and it's no longer controlling my Fire TV Stick or my Fire TV Cube. Now, the first thing to check is the battery. So turn it over, take the batteries out and replace the AAA batteries, the two AAA batteries on or in the remote. If you've done that already and it's still not working, then all your details you need to know to get it back working again are coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So as I say, you've got your voice remote here for your Fire TV Stick or Fire TV Cube, but it's not working. Every time you push a button, you're just getting this orange light, or you're getting no light at all. Well, like I said earlier, first thing to try is to try replacing the AAA batteries. If that doesn't work, then perhaps try with another set of batteries, just in case the batteries you've just replaced with are faulty or are empty. But if you've tried all that, then the next thing to do is follow this guide. Now, basically, you've got to be patient with this. That's the main thing. A lot of people can't get their remotes working because they just lack a bit of patience. It does take time. And I know once your remote's not working, you're eager to get it up and running again because you probably want to watch something. You don't want to be wasting ages. So I'm going to skip along with this video. So first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that we unplug our Fire TV Stick or our Cube. Now, I've got my Cube plugged in here, so I just pull out the power cable on my Cube and that goes off. If you've got a Fire TV Stick, then what you're going to need to do is perhaps go around the back of the TV. I've got mine out the back of the TV. Okay, unplug the cable just there. Okay, now you've got to at least wait 60 seconds. Pause this video for 60 seconds. As I say, you've got to do exactly as I say on the video. If you only unplug it and wait 59 seconds, then the chances are this probably isn't going to work and you're going to have to do it again. So you're going to waste all that time. Also, whilst this is switched off, you want to make sure that you've got no other remote controls nearby, especially not Bluetooth ones or any Bluetooth mobile phones or tablets. Try and put them as far away as you can, away perhaps to the other side of the house. If you're not sure whether your remote is Bluetooth, then or any remotes nearby are Bluetooth, then again put them to the other side of the house, away from this. If you've got a mobile phone or a tablet, then you can turn Bluetooth off on that whilst you're doing this, because it could well interfere with the process of getting the Bluetooth remote for the Amazon Fire Stick reconnected. So that's just out of precaution. Move any other remotes out the way, preferably to the other side of the house, and any mobile phones and tablets, make sure that the Bluetooth is switched off. I've got the back cover off on the remote control. I've waited 60 seconds. First of all, what I've got to do is I've got to reset the remote. So on most modern remotes, you have to hold down the back button and the three lines button, and whilst those are held down, you've got to push the left hand button as well. So you've got to push all three down together and hold them for 12 seconds. So let's just do that. So it's this button here, that button there, and that button just there. So hold them down for 12 seconds. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let go and then wait 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remove the batteries from your remote control. So take both the batteries out. Okay. And then what we need to do is, with the batteries removed from the remote, we need to plug our Fire TV Stick or our Fire TV Cube back in. So in the case of a Fire Stick, we just plug that back into the side there. If it's a Fire TV Cube, then we plug our power cable into the back just next to the HDMI socket. Wait for the system to boot back up. Okay, it may take a few minutes, but we've got to make sure that our batteries aren't in the remote control. if you've got a multimeter at this point, it might be worth testing your batteries just to make sure that they have got juice left in them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, it says here that we need, so now the Fire TV has booted up, or the Fire TV stick or cube has booted up. Don't put the batteries in yet. Hold fire, hold fire. What we're looking out for is we're looking out for the screen that tells us the remote can't be detected. That's the screen that appears on our Fire Stick or cube. So let's just minimize that a little bit. It takes a little while to come up, so that's why I say you do need to be patient. So we're going to wait for it to come up. So at the moment, we've got our normal home screen. If, like me, you don't wait for it to come up and you try it and connect it first of all, then it won't connect and you'll have to run through this all over again from the beginning. So just wait. It, like I say, it does take a while for the remote to be not detected, and you'll see this screen come up, like I say, in a second. Apologies, I'm not trying to drag this video out for the sake of dragging this video out. I'm just trying to demonstrate to you that it does take a while for this screen to appear. So here we go. We cannot detect your remote. So now's the time to put the batteries back into the remote. So put them in like so. And then what we want to do is we want to press the home button on the remote control. That's this button here. And see, there you go. The light is now flashing blue, which it wasn't doing before. So that indicates that the remote's connected successfully. So if you don't get that blue button, then hold that button down for 10 seconds. Okay. If you do get that blue flashing light, press the middle button and then hopefully it should work. But okay, mine's not working. So let's just hold that blue button down for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let go. And there we go. The remote is now working, as you can see. So all that's left to do then is to close the battery compartment back up. So pop this back on. Sorry, having a bit of trouble. There we go. Pop the battery compartment cover back on, and there you go. You're good to go. If it's still not working, then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get in touch with Amazon about this and see if they'll send you a replacement remote control. But hopefully this should be working. If you've got a basic edition remote control, then there are other ways that you have to reset it. The other way in the basic edition is to press and hold the home button and the menu button 3 times, then press the home button again. So let's just demonstrate it. So this isn't a basic remote, but you press and hold the home button, and at the same time press this button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then release the home button, and then press the menu button 9 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then remove the batteries from your remote control. Unplug your Fire TV and wait 60 seconds, then put the batteries back in your remote and then plug in your Fire TV. Once the home screen appears, press and hold the home button, that's the picture of the house, for 40 seconds. So leave it held down for 40 seconds, then wait 60 seconds for that to complete. If you've got the first generation Alexa voice remote, then you need to unplug your Fire TV. Again, wait 60 seconds and then press and hold the left button there and then the menu button there. Hold them down for 12 seconds. Release both buttons after 12 seconds and then wait 5 seconds. Turn your remote over, remove the batteries from your remote. Then plug in the Fire TV and again, wait until you see the screen that says that the remote can't be detected. Then put your batteries back in your remote, press the home button on the remote and see if it's then detected. If the remote's still not working, then press and hold the home button for 10 seconds and then try again. So there you go. I hope this guide helps. And if it doesn't, or you found other ways to reset your remote, then please feel free to comment down below. Let us know. But like I say, essentially, if you've tried getting your remote working and it's still not working, then perhaps ask Amazon for further support. In some cases, I've heard where the remotes have stopped working, Amazon have replaced the remotes free of charge. Sometimes you have to pester them a little to get a free replacement remote, but in some cases they have, like I say, replace the remote. I hope you've liked this guide, and if you did, then consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you're looking for a new Fire TV Stick, Cube or Firestick accessories, then have a look. We've got some links down below. In some cases, if Amazon refuse to replace your remote control, if the device is too old, then the cheapest way to get a replacement Amazon remote is to really buy a new Fire TV Stick. You could consider buying the cheapest Fire TV Stick just for the remote. It's obviously a lot cheaper than buying a separate remote. I've also got down in my description down below a link to my Amazon shop. I've also got links to various VPNs too. Donating, buying or subscribing through these links really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time into researching and bringing you these videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? Have a look through my YouTube channel. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you see a video here or elsewhere on my YouTube channel, don't forget, please, if you think any of your friends, your relatives, or your work colleagues might find it useful, share it with them too. It really does help. Thanks for watching.